Welcome to eLogic Zone, where the future is now, and nothing is off limits. If it's new, innovative, or just mind-blowingly smart, you'll find it right here. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about gadgets of the year, the Humane AI Pin, and why it could be the beginning of a screenless future. Let's explore the tech that's changing everything. Starting now, what if I told you that the smartphone as we know it might be going away soon? It might sound crazy, but a new device called the Humane AI Pin is set to change everything. Let's dive in. The Humane AI Pin is basically a tiny computer that you can wear. Okay, now let's talk about why this little pin might be a big deal. It can see what you're looking at and use AI to figure out if there is anything you want to take a picture of or maybe a video. It's kind of like having an extra set of eyes. It looks like a fancy pin, and you can clip it onto your shirt, jeans, bag, really anywhere. But here's the mind-blowing part. It has a super tiny screen that projects information onto your hand when you need it. So no more looking down at your phone. This tiny device has captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts, futurists, and yes, even some major players in the industry. But what exactly is the Humane AI Pin? And why should you care? Well, strap in because we're about to take you on a journey through the innovations that are shaping the next generation of wearable technology. Now let's get back to the show. Back in February 2023, the world stood still for a moment. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, everyone was waiting with bated breath. Why? Because on that day, ex-Apple designer Arun Chaudhry and his team at Humane unveiled something truly extraordinary. A glimpse into a future where technology seamlessly blends into our lives. But what was it? A sleek black box? Check. Some futuristic-looking glasses? Check. Well, hold on to your seats because it was none of those things. It was something even cooler, more ingenious. It was the Humane AI Pin. And if you've been living under a rock, let me catch you up. Imagine a world where your smartphone isn't a separate device, but an extension of you, always there, always ready to help. That's the world that Humane AI Pin has created. This isn't just a gadget. It's a revolution. It's the start of a new era in wearable technology. So what exactly is the Humane API and how does it work? Well, let's start with the basics. The Humane API is a wearable AI assistant designed to make your life easier. It's a small, lightweight device that clips onto your clothing and is controlled with just your voice and gestures. You heard that right. No more typing, no more swiping. Just talk and gesture. But what makes the Humane AI Pin so special? What sets it apart from other voice assistants like Siri or Alexa? Well, let me tell you. First off, the Humane AI Pin is screenless. That's right. There's no display to distract you or limit your interactions. Instead, it projects information onto your hand, creating a personalized interface wherever you go. So whether you're at home, at work, or on the move, your information is right there on your hand, always accessible. Speaking of access, how does the Humane API Pin connect to the internet? Well, it has that covered too, thanks to its integrated for LTE connectivity. The Humane API Pin can connect to the internet without any wires or cables. It's completely wireless, which means you can roam free and still access all your information and services. But the magic doesn't stop there. The Humane AI Pin runs on advanced AI, the same kind that powers ChatGPT or Gemini. This means it understands natural language, learns from your interactions, and can perform tasks that were previously unimaginable. Need to send an email? Ask the pin. Want to set a reminder? Just tell the pin. The Humane AI Pin makes your life easier. Let's talk about the design. The Humane AI Pin is not just functional, it's also stylish. It's available into colors, space black and lunar white. Plus, with 3 different pin styles to choose from. You can personalize your pin to match your style, whether you prefer classic brooch, a modern pendant, or a trendy clip-on, there's a Humane AI Pin for you. Okay, here's the deal. We've talked about what it is, how it works, and even the design. Now let's talk features. What can the Humane AI Pin actually do? Well, let me tell you, the list is impressive. First off, the pin acts as your personal assistant, handling tasks like scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and managing your calendar. But it gets better. It also doubles as a hands-free communicator, allowing you to make and receive calls, send messages, and even control your smart home devices with just your voice. Need to check the weather? Ask the Pin. Want to play your favorite song? Just tell the Pin. It's that easy. But the Humane AI Pin isn't just a task manager and a communicator. It's also your personal concierge. It can book travel, make restaurant reservations, and even provide recommendations based on your preferences. And let's not forget about its health monitoring capabilities. The Humane AI Pin can track your steps, monitor your sleep, and even remind you to take breaks. And here's the best part. And like other wearable devices, the Humane AI Pin doesn't need to be charged daily. Thanks to its advanced battery life, it can last several days on a single charge. No more worrying about running out of power. With the Humane AI Pin, you're always ready to go. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. When can you get your hands on this amazing device, and how much will it cost? Well, the wait is almost over. The Humane AI Pin is already shipping in 2025. And while the price wasn't revealed during the launch, rumors suggest it will be priced around $300. Yes, it's not cheap, but considering the features and the convenience it offers, it might be worth every penny. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The Humane API is also open to developers, which means we're likely to see a surge in creative applications and services. Who knows? The future might hold some surprises we haven't even imagined yet. So, is the Humane AI Pin the future of smartphones? Well, that's a tough one. On one hand, the Pin offers many of the same features as a smartphone, such as communication, task management, and even health monitoring. On the other hand, it lacks some key smartphone features such as cameras, GPS, and app functionality. Perhaps the Humane AI Pin is not meant to replace smartphones, but to complement them. Maybe it's the first step towards a future where wearable technology becomes an integral part of our lives. As Steve Jobs once said, good design is good business. And let me tell you, the design of the Humane AI Pin is truly remarkable. It's not just a bunch of hardware and software put together. It's a carefully crafted blend of aesthetics and functionality. The Pin's sleek black body is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly durable. It's made from high-quality materials that can withstand the test of time. Plus, its lightweight design ensures that it's comfortable to wear all day long. But it's not just about the Pin itself. The packaging is equally impressive. Opening the box feels like unwrapping a gift. The Pin is nestled in a foam insert that adds a touch of elegance to the unboxing experience. Overall, the Humane AI Pin's design is a testament to the company's attention to detail and commitment to excellence. It's a device that looks as good as it works. So what do you think? Is the Humane AI Pin the future of smartphones, or is it just another gimmick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting updates on the latest tech.